Welcome to day 2, the last day of CMPL Connect 2025, where conversations turn into collaborations.
This is the first time that we have been to a direct scheduled buyer-seller meeting kind of event, and the kind of response we have received from here is great.
This format, particularly Connect, has been an amazing experience.
There can be serious meetings with people who are looking for the right manufacturer and manufacturers who are looking for the right brand to associate with.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस वंडरफुल था। 28 to 30 मीटिंग्स मैंने डन किया।
So far, it's been a great experience, something different, and hats off to the entire CMPL team.